In this short video I want to show you how to create standard threads in Fusion. I used Tinkercad to play around, but for standard threads Fusion 360, and I have the free version, is really the best. So first I'll construct a body where we can put the thread on. So I just do a little ring. And now all I've got to do is to select the area I want the thread to be, click Create, Thread, and now Fusion detects the correct size, the diameter of the hole, or the diameter where the thread should be, and I can switch between different designations. But now it's very important to check model 2, otherwise it's just like a picture, a bitmap or something like that, that's created on the area, so that you see that there's a thread, but it saves resources of Fusion 360. In this case I don't only want to look it like a thread, but I want to have the actual thread. So I click on the checkbox for modeled. On the outside we do the same thing. As you see, it's working on the outside too. Again, Fusion detects the diameter, and I can switch between designations if there are different designations in Fusion. So now I leave modeled unchecked so that you see the difference. I'm going to export the file. And then I'm going to check this box for modeled and export it again, that you can see the difference in Cura. This is the one with only inside threads modeled and outside not, and now I import the other one and you see there's threads on the outside too. And this is how easy it is to create standard threads in Fusion. It's not worth playing around with other tools like Tinkercad, where you can do cool custom threads, but for standard threads this is the best and quickest solution I know. Thank you for watching and have fun making.